The search for the ultimate hue turned into somewhat of an adventure. Get ready as I spill the beans on my color choice. Welcome back to the Austrian Car Guy. Today I'm not talking about engines, I'm delving into the vibrant realm of engine paint. Join me as I unveil the narrative behind my color choice and the adventurous journey of giving my engine a unique, eye-catching personality. Now, why did I opt for this specific engine paint color? Well, the quest for the perfect shade became a bit of a saga. For those of us who aren't mechanics or shop owners, getting specific spray paint cans in Europe can be quite the challenge. After an exhaustive search, a friend tipped me off about a dealer offering 2K paint and a selection of GM's original engine colors. A game changer indeed. But if any of my European comrades have a lead, drop a hint in the comments below, I'm all ears. As I explored my options, I found myself on a journey to recreate the original glory of my engine. The particular year called for a stunning blue tone, but it wasn't available. Perhaps another round of painting is in the cards to achieve the perfect hue and a better paint job too. In the meantime, I settled on RAL 5021, a captivating turquoise-ish color and the closest match to the original engine color that I could find. Capturing it on camera? Now, that's a challenge. Every photo and every video seem to showcase a different facet of this elusive shade. Yet the combination with black and silver accents has truly grown on me. It kind of has an 80s vibe. What's your take on this unique color choice? Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the quality of my paint job. I'll admit it, it's not Picasso level craftsmanship and there's plenty of room for improvement. Painting an engine is true art and I'm on a journey to refine my skills. But hey, every stroke teaches me something new. It's all part of the learning process, wouldn't you agree? Take a closer look at the engine from various angles. Despite the challenges, the color combination adds a distinct character to the overall aesthetic. I'm eager to hear your thoughts, suggestions, or your own painting tales. Share them below. If you're enjoying this video about my journey into the world of engine painting, hit that like button, share your color preferences in the comments, and of course, subscribe for more automotive escapades. Your engagement fuels the passion behind this channel. Stay tuned for more tales from the garage, and I'll catch you in the next episode of That Austrian Car Guy. Drive safe and stay passionate about the good old classic cars. Ciao!